Hello, Sue here again from Sue's Dog Worldwide Kitchen, and I hope you're not all going too mad in the very upsetting world we're now living. It's very crazy with all the lockdowns, and now we're locked down for Christmas and we're not allowed to have our families round unless they're 5 minutes away from your house, and only 2 households are allowed to combine. Unfortunately, all my family don't live here. They all live all over the shop. None of them live here. And London is in lockdown as well as Wales and Northern Ireland and Scotland. So we're all in the same boat together, so we've just got to make the most of it. So anyway, what I'm doing today is I'm just going to make some mince pies with the pastry I made in a previous video. So I've got my piece of pastry here just sitting on the top. And I just wanted to show you quickly how to make some mince pies with the pastry you made yourself. So I've got my rolling pin here, so I'm going to put a bit of flour on the board here. And I've got my mince meat. So what I've done is I've mixed some mince meat that I had last year with some mince meat that I bought this year. So the mince meat I had last year was nice and dark because obviously it's been maturing for a year. Whereas the mince meat I just bought is really light coloured, which means that it's not matured. So we're just going to use a mixture of the two. So we're going to just roll out our pastry. I've already greased my tin to put my mince pies in. So we're going to be making 12 mince pies today. So, and you need the little lids as well. So I've got my cutters here and a little one here. And we're going to be putting them in here, okay? So, first of all we need the bigger cutter, so you just go right round the edge, as close as the edge as possible. So I'm just going to cut out 12 of these. And you can make these thicker if you make more pastry. You can just double up on the pastry, which is in another video. Just go and take a look at that if you want to know how to make the pastry. I don't like my pastry very thick on these, so I keep it relatively thin, and that'll be enough. I don't even know if I'm going to have enough pastry for the lids. Maybe I'll just make 12. So that's it. One more, should have enough pastry for the lids. So I've got my tin here, and we're just going to put my little pastries in there. So they're not very deep mince pies, they're going to be quite shallow. You could make the pastry bigger by using a bigger cutter, so it comes up the sides more. But I like my mince pies quite small, you know, just a couple of mouthfuls, not like, I don't like them too deep. But you can make them deeper, because this is quite deep, these things. I usually make Yorkshire puddings in these that come out really, really good actually. But not doing that today. I'm just making mince pies today. So, hope you're not going too mad. You've got all your Christmas shopping done before they shut all the shops up. And now we're going into level 4. Which didn't exist a few days ago, and it just became level 4 without even telling us. We don't even get told anymore. They just do what they like. Great, eh? Anyway, so what I'm going to do is just flatten this out and make it into a round ball and make the little lids to go on the top. So we need 12 little lids to go on our 12 bases. So I'm just going to do that, put a little bit more flour on here, on there. So look out for my other video, which will be about making some nice brandy butter to go with your Christmas pudding on Christmas Day. So I'm going to be making some nice brandy butter, and me and my partner will have it all by ourselves on Christmas Day. How wonderful. just as well we love each other a lot, isn't it? Seems as we're together all the time. Right, so we got 12 of these. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Right, so there's our 12 little lids, and we've got a little bit of pastry left here. So I probably will just make like a little mince tart thing on its own. Okay, with the little bit of pastry. Okay, so what we're going to do is well, I've got a dessert spoon in my mixture already. Okay, and I'm just going to spoon a bit of this into these. Now be careful not to overfill them, because you won't be able to get them out because they're sort of gluing. So I just put half a dessert spoon, or you could use a teaspoon, which would be enough. So I'm just going to make these. And we've already had a mince pie today, because I made some mince pies with some shop bought pastry earlier, which only took like 10 minutes. Well, these will only take 10 minutes because I've already made the pastry. Very, very quick. And with the pastry, you can just make some sausage rolls if you want. So I'm going to be... So these are my Christmas mince pies today. That's what we're making for our Christmas that is cancelled. Yes, what a wonderful life we're having this year. 2020, so wonderful, isn't it? Cancelled Christmas. Didn't give anybody any notice, just cancel it, because they said, well, you know what I'm talking about. But I will be starting up a brand new channel on a different platform, if anybody would like to know my opinion about anything and what I think is going on in the world. I will be going on YouTube or BitChute, which I will also be making cooking videos on there, but I'll be talking at the same time, and hopefully being able to say what I want without being censored, because you can't say what you want on YouTube, I'm afraid. They will just censor you. Anyway, so we've done that. So what we need to do now is just coat them with some milk on the top, like so, and then just put them in the oven. They only take about 10 minutes to cook, 10-15 minutes, depending on your oven. I cooked some earlier, they literally only took 10 minutes to cook. So I'm not expecting these to take any longer. And I'll show you them again in a minute when they're done. So that's our 12 mince pies done. Okay, so I'll show you them again in a minute when they're cooked. Okay, so I'll see you again in a minute. Bye. Hello, Sue here again from Sue's Dog Love My Kitchen. So I have left out 3 of the mince pies here. The rest I've put away now, they're cooked now, and we had one to eat and they're really gorgeous. So I just wanted to show you the finished product of the mince pies. So there we are. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave me a thumbs up and a like, and ring that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a video, and make the mince pies. And I hope you have a really Merry Christmas, and try and enjoy yourself as much as possible. Okay? So not too much alcohol though, okay? It's not good for you. Alright? I know you'll probably be wanting to drink lots of alcohol to, you know, drown your sorrows in the life that we're now living, very difficult, but please don't. So thank you for watching my video, and I'll see you again soon. So bye for now. Bye.